started. So once you have the cake that I'm gonna, the carrot cake, bake and everything, you're gonna prepare the stuff for doing the toppings. So what I use is, like for frosting, I use the yogurt, no sugar, dairy-free of Almond of the Kite Hill, and I just put maybe less than a quarter cup, like this. And then I use the Arbonne protein, the special edition flavor cinnamon roll, super good. And I just put 1 scoop. And then what I do is I just mix it like this. I don't know which one was so if it's too thick, you can add water, or you can adjust a little bit more of the yogurt. So this is more like the texture. It looks like if it's like a frosting, but it's not. And it tastes so good. It tastes like cinnamon roll. You can find it in the website and the section of nutrition, and the package is yellow. So what I do is, after it's ready, the fake frosting, I just put it on top of the carrot cake. You can get fancy decorating it, or no. There it is. And then it's very important that every morning you eat good fatty acid. And what a better way to eat than adding the nuts. So here are nuts, pecans, pumpkin seeds. Like I make my own mix. You can go to Sprout, buy everything separate, and then you make your own bowl of nuts and seeds. So I put an amount of like this, and I just put it on top of the cake. And then, to just decoration and presentation, you just can add a strawberry here on the top. So look at these. Good in fiber, good oils. Yes, it's high in calories, but you know what? It is dense in nutrients. You are feeding your brain, you're feeding your muscles, you're feeding your cells. You are having fiber, so that way you go well to the bathroom. And so I hope you enjoy it. Your body's gonna be super happy. So every time you eat, think in what you are eating. And there's many ways to eat healthy, and it's super delicious. Bye. Take a bite over here. Here it is. So good. You have to do it. I'm telling you, I have tried so many proteins, but never have tried one like Arbonne.